So can you state your name, background about yourself, your name, your work, or if you're a student, and ano course?
Okay, hello, I'm Marion Gillette Mahilo, currently a medtech student in Cebu Doctors University, and I live by the motto, progress over perfection and to live life with intention po.
So why did you decide to learn training?
I decided to learn trading because my dad pushed me po to enroll and grab this opportunity kasi yung LTA, sila na talaga yung pumunta dito sa Cebu and to learn about trading po talaga. And upon learning about trading, nalaman ko po na it's not only about making profit, it's also about having discipline and also learning about how the economy works. Also, kailangan talaga na malaman mo yung worldwide news. So, ayun, I think it's a good venture po for me to master and to better myself.
Okay, so how do you think trading can change your life?
Trading can change my life in a way na it will make things better po for me. Kasi trading will give you that financial stability po talaga. And as an eldest daughter po, I want to have that financial freedom, not only for myself, but also for my family. Because I want to build a legacy po talaga. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Okay, so for those na mga like you na student pa lang, no, ano yung magiging best advice mo sa kanila?
Sa aking mga ka-age po, they have different views about trading. And I want to tell them na if they are interested or they have someone in their family na into trading, they should also try. Kasi for me, I'm a medtech student. Wala akong background about economy, about numbers. It's very far from the chosen course. Pero upon learning, it created a spark within me talaga. And yun.
Thank you, Maria.
Thank you po.